Hi, and welcome to Reiki with Albert. And we're going to talk about healing breakups and why do they occur in relationships, and how can you do to take care of it where they shouldn't happen in the first place. But what happens is you lost your way. You made your partner, your girlfriend, your boyfriend want to leave you, and they're done with you because you neglected them in a way. Now you're saying, how so? Well, this happens every day. You get caught up in your own world. Maybe you want to hang out with your friends. Maybe you want to play online games. But you left them at home. They get bored, especially if they're not working and you're doing all the work. You forget them. Why did you get them in the first place? Stop and think about that. Then you know what you did wrong, which is all negative. That's not a human being. That's not a person you're dealing with. You brought them in your life for a reason. You didn't want to be on your own. You wanted somebody to share your life with. That's life. Now it's gone. It's over. It's done. And you can't go back. And even if you try to mend it or put a Band-Aid on it, it's not going to happen. In their mind, they're done with you. Bring them back is going to repeat the same process. Sometimes you're not meant to be together. You just have to understand that fact. Here in this video, we're going to heal you. But we're also going to deal with these emotional traumas that everybody is facing. Because breaking up is tough. Losing that one you love is tough. They're hurting too. You're crying. They're crying. You can't sleep. You can't eat. You can't do nothing. You just want to end it all, and you don't want to end it all. You have a life, and that life is precious. That life matters. Okay? Sure, you're hurting now. Sure, you'll get over it. We all do. And you too can get over it. You have to be motivated. You have to forget. It's hard to forget, especially if you're with them for a very long time, a couple of years. It hurts. Say from childhood days. It's really bad. Yeah. All that's negative. All this hurt, all this sorrow, all this pain, crying. Can't live. All curled up in your bed, holding onto that pillow. Don't want to see nobody. Lock yourself away for days, weeks, months. Don't want to eat. House falls apart. Place gets messy. Weeds have to grow outside. The place is falling apart. You don't even drive your vehicle. Cobwebs. All kind of critters is hiding in your vehicle. This is how you want to live? Does that person mean that much to you? That person matter to you? No, because you didn't put the effort into that relationship. And that's why it comes to an end. So when they tell you that they want to talk to you, they want to bring you someplace, maybe a restaurant. If that happens, you're going to end up paying that bill. And they tell you they're unhappy. Once they say that unhappy word, it's over. It's done. It's finished. Finito. You understand? Fin means the end. There's no turning around. It's all done. They'll tell you, well, I'm over. I'm done. I'm through with you. I don't want to see you no more. Don't call me. I'm going to block you. And all that. That's a lot of negative right there. You can't handle that. A lot of people can't handle that trauma. That's too much on one person. You can't handle it. But that's why I'm here. So let's begin. So you know what the cause of it is. You neglected them. Or they neglected you. It happens both ways. Or they found somebody else. When they tell you they're unhappy, that means somebody else is in the picture. And you're out of the picture. And this is where the breakups and the brokenhearted and everything falls down. You feel like a part of you is gone. You felt that something changed in your life. A new paradox has happened. And that's what happened. It's gone. It's finished. She's out of your life. He's out of your life. Or your partner's out of your life. It happens. You have to deal with it. Once you start dealing with it now, you take several deep breaths. Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Okay? Now, let's get into this. To heal you properly, we need lavender. Take away the negative energy that's around you right now. Lavender, you can spray this in your hair. Did you know that? You can style with your hair too. Keep that neutralize your whole body. You know? I mean, after you take a shower, don't bother spraying it on your shower. But you need to relax yourself. You need to come to grips with yourself. There's no one to help you. I'm here to help you. Okay? I'm going to help you forget. I'm going to help you release that pain. Okay, so let's get going. They're gone. You gotta cope. They're gone. You gotta cope. They're gone. You gotta cope. Cry it off for now. But get yourself together. You can't stay like you are forever. You got to cope. You can't stay like this forever. You got to pull yourself out of it. You got to pull yourself out of it. You got to get yourself back together. You got to get yourself back together. Remove that negative feeling from your heart. Remove that negative feeling from your heart. Clean your auras, all 7 layers. Clean your chakras, all 7 chakras. You got to heal. You got to stop to think that they are gone for good. They are gone for good. Get yourself together. Get yourself together and understand what's going on. It's not funny. It's serious. You got to get yourself out of that bed. Get yourself out of that couch. Get yourself cleaned up. Take care of yourself. Go take a shower. Get a haircut. Go to the salon. Whatever it takes. Go jump in that pool. Go swim off the sorrow that you're facing. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. You got to get out of bed. Get off that sofa. Stop watching TV. Stop watching sorrow, drama, crying, romance, all kind of breakups. Get it out of your head. Stop listening to music. That's not gonna help you. You're gonna have to get yourself motivated. You got to get out. Get on with your life. That your life is not over. You're making it happen like that. Stop making it like life. Make a new life for yourself. Get out of bed. Get out of everything. Move yourself in the right direction. Your life is not over. Stop crying. Stop worrying. Stop thinking about them. Get rid of their pictures. Change up the place. Get it to look like someday they don't know that they were there. And stop thinking about them. Get them out of your head. Change up the place where you are. Get rid of their pictures. Get rid of their gifts. Get yourself together. Get yourself together. Get yourself together.